Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website prototype in Figma. First, begin by setting up individual frames for each screen of your website. Next, populate these frames with your design elements, including text, images, and interactive components. Finally, you'll link these frames together to mimic the user's journey through your site, making your static designs come alive with interactive pathways. When designing your pages, leverage Figma's powerful component feature to maintain consistency across your prototype. This saves significant time and ensures a unified look. Keep your layers and groups well organized. A tidy file is much easier to navigate and update. Also, explore auto layout to build flexible designs that adjust smoothly, making your prototype more realistic and versatile for different screen sizes. Now, let's add some life to your prototype by introducing interactions. Simply select any element you want to be interactive, then navigate to the Prototype tab. Here, you can define how users will interact with it, choosing options like on-click to navigate to a new page or on-hover for a tooltip. Don't forget to select a transition, such as Smart Animate, to create a polished and engaging user experience. After building your prototype, it's crucial to test it thoroughly. Use the play button to preview your work and ensure all interactions and navigation paths function as intended. Once you're satisfied, generate a shareable link to gather feedback from colleagues or clients, which is vital for refinement. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description for the Echo Dot link and other great deals. This iterative process of testing and feedback is key to creating a successful and user-friendly website prototype.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.